make sure that you have confidence in yourself. Like for me, I had a low self-esteem when I came here, to be honest. Even though I came from getting those A's and stuff, when I arrived here, I didn't know how to speak English fluently and all of those things. So my confidence went down, low self-esteem went down, all of those things. But I feel like if you make sure that you have confidence in yourself, believe in yourself, because right now I'm doing my final year. Because to be honest, I even there's this other year, my second year, where I was thinking of taking a leave of absence because things were really difficult. But to be honest, if you persevere this side, you're gonna make it. One two one two. My name is Mxolisi Madala, and I'm a civil engineering student. I'm doing my final year, final semester. I went on a vacation after semester one, so I went home just to visit my family and all that, because sometimes you need that support from family. And also, so I went home and I rested for like 6 weeks. Then I came back. Like today is my first day of for my classes. So, but I haven't had any class, like attending any lectures and stuff. But I only had one meeting on Microsoft today, just to give us an introduction of what we are going to be doing this semester. Right now, I'm doing a proposal for my research project. I'm doing my thesis right now. So I'm currently doing my proposal this June, Friday. After this, around 2 o'clock, I'm meeting with my supervisor. So I must make sure that my proposal is going well. So that by Friday, I'll be able to submit it. So for me, to be honest, I did some research, but it didn't give explicitly what is being done here in university. It's like generalized everything. So, but when I came here, there are things that I didn't think I was gonna do, but here I was doing them. For example, doing courses from other faculties, like this elective that we did once, and doing work, all of those things in the first place. I didn't think I would have to do all of those things, but once I came here, I had to learn most of the things by doing them. Some of them from people that I know, and some of them I'm still learning some of them now. But to be honest, with regards to the expectations, I didn't expect much regarding that thing. It's only about my capabilities. For instance, I didn't expect I would be sitting here today doing this today in my final year in record time, being in your final year in record time. One of the most important things is to make sure that you do some research regarding what is expected to be done by a civil engineering student, especially if you're coming to UCT for UCC student from as a UCC student. So what you must do for sure is either, if you are fortunate, maybe there's someone that you know who's here. You must make sure that you ask them a lot of questions regarding anything and everything related to what you're gonna be doing here. Especially, make sure if you come here, you try by all means to make friends with maybe your mentors, because in your first day you get mentors. Make sure you're close to your mentors, and also get friends so that they will be able to tell you what you need to know, especially because now during your first second year, all of those things, for me, the thing that I didn't learn properly, but with my friends, they were able to teach me all of those things. But I think it's one of the most important things is to have friends, and also get mentors, use your mentors, also ask questions when you feel like it is something that you need to know. Make sure because it's very important to have information this side, because you may even fail something that is way easy if you didn't have the information. But if you had information, you will realize, this thing was so easy. But it's very important for you to make sure that you have enough information so that you'll be able to prosper. I'm from a township, actually, from a township called Duamashu. For me, I will just say most of the time, even for me in my first year, I was intimidated by that. Like I didn't think I would be able to be here in my fourth year, in doing my fourth year at this time. I thought maybe it's either I'm gonna be excluded because I'm not academically eligible, or maybe I'm not capable as anyone else. But coming from a background where I'm one of the few who went to Varsity, but I'm one of the few who went to Varsity, so it's a bit challenging because I don't think you'll even make it even to your fourth year, like how I did right now. But I feel like if you can just believe in yourself, try by all means to work hard, and also it's a learning curve. This one, it's a learning curve. You may start now not knowing anything. Tomorrow you may gain something. The following day you may also gain another thing. So it's very important to not think like you're not gonna make it just because you're coming from a disadvantaged background or something like that. You may you like for instance, I came from a school where we didn't even know how to use technology. We didn't even know how to use computers. But now I'm able to use all of those things because I taught myself to be able to learn. Allow yourself to learn because most of the things that you're gonna encounter at this side are the things that you're gonna learn from doing them. Not because you did them in the past, but everything you need to learn them. For me, the message would be make sure that you have confidence in yourself. Like for me, I had a low self-esteem when I came here, to be honest. Even though I came from getting those A's and stuff, when I arrived here, I didn't know how to speak English fluently and all of those things. So my confidence went down, low self-esteem went down, all of those things. But I feel like if you make sure that you have confidence in yourself, believe in yourself, because right now I'm doing my final year. Because to be honest, I even there's this other year, my second year, where I was thinking of taking a leave of absence because things were really difficult. But to be honest, if you persevere this side, you're gonna make it. Because every today may be difficult, then tomorrow it may be cruising nicely. It's like a hill. We always have a hill going up, then sometimes the following day you are going down. It's like nice, all of those things. But to be honest, for me, I've learned a lot from this side to persevere. And also days are not the same. Today it may be difficult. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna find the solution to what was difficult the previous day and become a better person.